Welcome, my name is Umar and I am from BJ Fine University. The part of our explanation is nonlinear regression. Nonlinear regression is a form of regression analysis in which observation data are modeled by a function which is nonlinear combination of model parameters and it depends on one or more independent variables. The data are fitted by a method of successive approximation. Well, now we will solve a question using the nonlinear regression to get over how the whole process is done. Well, this is the question. In this question, we have to regress the whole data to form an equation, regress the whole data given above to a second order polynomial equation, which is actually this. These are the certain data values given to us, and we will use these data values to form an equation like this. Well, initially there's a form of matrix which needs to be formed in order to find the second order polynomial equation, where n is the total number of pixel location and total number of items provided. Well, n is the total number of items provided, while k square and all these needs to be calculated and best further solving. So we will form a table which looks pretty much like this. In this the values of k are given -3, -2, 1, 0, and values of y are given. The value and these are initially given in the question. To fill out this matrix, we see that this matrix has a k square right here. So when sigma k square right here. So we need to get the summation of sigma x square. We need to write it here. So in order to matrix form, the same should be done with the cubic and to the power 4 equation. So here we can see the unknown variables a0, a1, a2. This is normally sigma y, sigma ky, and sigma k square y. So this table will be filled by squaring these terms and then summing out. So we have done it directly. Yes, this is the table formed by squaring all these terms, squaring, cubing, and multiplying all these terms. This is the table formed. But one thing is missing. The thing which is missing is sigma. So sigma is added on here. We can have a quick look on the whole sigma thing. Well, sigma y sums up in 52, while sigma k square sums 28. Sigma k cube sums up to 0. We also 0. Sigma k power 4 sums up to 196. And sigma ky sums up to 162, while sigma k square y sums up to 4286. All of these values need to be put on here so that we can further calculate the values of a0, a1, and a2. So we can see that the values of the n needs to play this is the total number of items, while sigma y is equals to 0, sigma k is equals to 0, sigma y is, and the whole thing is done like this. Well, these are the summation of sigma y, sigma ky, and sigma k square y. Then we will solve the whole thing simultaneously to get the values of a0, a1, and a2. And these are the values obtained: 246, 5.7857, and 13-13.37. So the polynomial regression is something like this. P is equals to a0, which is 246, plus a1, which is 5.76, and minus 13.357 square. So we also need to make the graph on the whole thing. So we plotted the whole thing on Excel by using the formula, and the graph looks something like this. The values given us initially in the table, which are like this, are actually the line of are actually somewhere around scattered around this point, and this is the line of best fit around those points. Hope this is understandable. Thank you so much.